Hi, and welcome to JustCollect.com. Thanks for joining us today. We have for you something unique. It's a non-sport set from 1933 issued by National Chickle. It's a 108 card set. This is complete. We recently purchased this at auction. This is the Skybird set. And as you can see here in the back, similar to what you'll see if you see the 35 Chickle football, the 33 to 35 Diamond Stars. Just a really nice pre-war set. This highlights all of the aviation heroes leading up to the early 30s. This is card number 1, David Putnam. Tough card to find in great condition. This is really looking very nice for the first card in the pre-war issue. And then some of the other aviation heroes. You have Charles Lindbergh and the Spirit of St. Louis, which was the first transatlantic flight. Amelia Earhart, female pioneer in women's aviation. Baron von Richthofen was a German ace in World War I. Actually died in 1918. Was only 25 years old. Had already been given credit for 80 enemy shoot-downs. Eddie Rickenbacker, American flyer. Orville Wright, with Wilbur, were credited with the first airplane. And James Doolittle, another American aviator. It's a great set. One that's complete that we'll be breaking up and offering on eBay very shortly. I want to thank you for joining us, and remember that JustCollect.com is always buying vintage sports and non-sports cards from 1879 to 1979, as well as select modern cards. Thank you.